Hey, what's up, Axie Infinity? So this chart is completely show you, my brothers, to Axie Infinity as one of the fastest cryptocurrency and definitely give us a very good profit now. So let's now, my brother, in this video I will give you something more information about Axie Infinity, and definitely we will predicate this one. We will do a technical analysis, and after that, my brother, I will decide to upcoming time can examine a good movement for investment, can they will give you a profit in upcoming days or not. So the video is going to be very special, and absolutely I searched, my brother, and absolutely I contact with a lot of experts to what's your opinions about XA Infinity. So let's start a brand video, my brother. But kind, if you are new my channel, congratulations. Please like video and subscribe this channel, and welcome to our YouTube channel. I will give you 100% guarantee to, if you follow this channel, if you subscribe this channel, you will never lose. Yes, absolutely 100% guarantee. Let's get started, my brother. Please, my brother. The prediction is very important, so please don't skip. Let's see, my brother. This time 52.15 USD dollar is very high price, my brother. Absolutely, if you are invest for a long time, so this is one of the unique and very good coin, my brother. My advice for all of you too, this is very good now. Otherwise, research personally, this will be very good now, my brother. So this time, my friend, 447.71% profit just in only, my brother, as you can see here in 1 month, and definitely it's a very good now, my brother. Definitely this chart is completely moving in upward direction. Sometimes they will fail us down, but definitely the total averages come to, my friend, you can see here, very good now. And first of all, I draw one line. This is line one, this is line two. These two lines, my friend, you can see here completely moving in upward direction. And absolutely, my friend, you can see here I predicate something like that. In the last point, as you can see, whether the arrow is moving in upward direction, so that's clear. To upcoming time also, exact infinity will moving upward now. So you need to, my friends, invest more and wait. And absolutely, if you wait for the end of month, so I hope they will give you a profit. But if you are wait for the end of this year, so they will make you a millionaire now, my brother. So what you want, tell me in the comment box, and my prediction is going to be positive now. And my opinion is also to please hold. What's your opinion? Remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, please research personally before you take any decision. See you next time, holder. I hope you something understand new, my brother. So please like video and subscribe channel.